Stop or I'll break your knees when I catch you! I'm close at heels, shitbird! Here I come! Oh. You robbed the wrong man, mate. A fellow with dangerous friends.
¡Maldición! ¡Soy pacifista! No quiero saber cómo acaba esta historia.
Eyes peeled. There's a hider.
I see one hiding! They're all over me! Don't shoot me!
Too close. Way too close.
Cover me! I'm reloading!
Well, a very, very warm welcome to you on what is, of course, a truly special day in this part of the world. It is Derby Day, a rivalry so deeply entrenched into the history of sport in this land. It divides opinions, it divides families, it divides just about anything that can be divided. The game itself lasts just 90 minutes, but its repercussions can be felt for months and years ahead. Truly, this really is a quite wonderful stadium located here at the foot of the Alps. Rashford brings the ball forward. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Sancho. Bruno. He's had a shot! Goal! Manchester United! Manchester United take the lead.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. And they really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
Enemy remaining.
Bogey killed.
Nice play.
Spike down B.
Quiet now.
Spike planted.
Someone in attacker spawn. Target down.
You will not kill my allies!
One enemy remaining. Spike down A. Flawless.
You all are wonderful.
Reloading.
RPG! Frost! Frost! Get switched on! We gotta move now!
but you're still gonna lose.
I already won. You just don't know it yet. Kick this up a notch.
Let's make you fly. Yeah! We are cleared for takeoff. Sorry for being so awesome.
Fine, I was just going easy on you. You might even be ahead if you weren't such a show-off.
She's not wrong.
Mac?
You've done the impossible, Jets. You shut up, Mac.
I'm shaking my head in disapproval.
Still think you're winning, Ty?
I am winning.
I don't see you in front.
The finish is where it counts.
I'ma shot you in the face. You lost your tail.
Ease up, Pack. Where the hell you been?
After the handoff went pear-shaped, I came straight here. They were Russians, right? Spec ops, 1 second they're there, the next they're not.
Take deep breaths, son. You got the intel?
Yeah, got it.
Nice play. Shit. It's already daylight. We gotta get to the extraction point. You got a 20 on Irish?
I thought he was with you.
I'm breaking radio silence. Tombstone 3, Tombstone Actual. What's your 20?
Tombstone Actual. Inbound from the north. Coming in hot. Requesting cover fire on my retreat.
Stay down, Irish. We got you. Gear up and get ready.
You got my ass!
By the window, we gotta cover Irish.
Hold the fire!
There he is! Irish, watch out!
Shit! Fuck off of me!
Wrecker! Hostiles in the windows across!
They got me pinned!
More incoming, see him?
Two more on the left! Drop them!
Прикройте меня кто-нибудь, блядь!
Irish! Get up here! Anything still moving? Got them all! Clear!
Give me a hand.
You okay, Irish?
Fuck, man. I guess it's safe upstairs.
Tombstone, on the move.
Fortress, this is Tombstone Action. We got your pack. Stirred up a hornet's nest. Moving towards extraction.
Roger that, Tombstone. Helo's inbound. Get your squad in position. Out.
You signal and we'll shoot the target.
Hey! Holy crackabar!
What the fuck do you think you're doing?
Reloading! God damn! Over! New clip! Let's go!
We have a man down over here!
En route! Air support en route!